So hello friends, today we are going to discuss capital conundrum on politics and the Delhi's administrative autonomy. The Delhi's quest for administrative autonomy is a hostage to the Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party rivalry. The Ministry of Law and Justice, the center through an ordinance has overturned the Supreme Court judgment on May 11 that held the elected government of National Capital of Territory of Delhi had executive and the legislative powers over its officials. The move has set in motion a new legal battle. The Aam Aadmi Party, that is AAP, government in Delhi, has decided to challenge the ordinance, while Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP government at center, has moved to the court to review its judgment. The National Capital Territory of Delhi Act, that is NCTD Act 1991, created a unique administrative unit. Justice interpretation, judicial interpretation have never completely resolved the conflicts between the center and the elected government of NCTD all these years. The judgment held that the union territory with a legislative assembly of their own are comparable to the states and their government's executive powers would extend to all matters on which they are allowed to make laws. In Delhi, law and order remain with the center unlike other states. The court also pointed out that the absence of law on the services and the lack of oversight by the elected representative over the officials under the present scheme. The ordinance purportedly removes the basis of judgment by creating National Capital Civil Services Authority. The Chief Minister, that means AK Arvind Kejriwal, is a chair with Chief Secretary and Principal Secretary, Home, both appointed by the central government as members. The centre reclaimed all powers it lost in judgment. The centre is well within its powers to overturn a judicial pronouncement through legislation. Whether the basis of the instant judgment has been removed by the ordinance remains an open question, but the more pertinent issue is the political intent of the centre's move. The centre under the current BJP dispensation has been confrontational rather than cooperative with the states in resolving governance issues. It has shown little regard for the elected governments at lower levels while claiming for itself all powers on the grounds of its electoral majority. Delhi, being the national capital, has to maintain a unique administrative character and it should not be left to exigence of the local politics. Equally, the voters of Delhi cannot be disenfranchised for extraneous reasons. The irony is that AAP itself has been votary of centralization, though it could swing to provincial to suit its leaders in changed situation. The AAP government had resorted to provincialist rhetoric in the past, also going to extent of questioning the rights of people from the other state to access health care and education in the national capital. It was also a cheerleader of the centre's brazen move that dismantled state of Jammu Kashmir into two union territories. Democracy and federalism are threatened by an unprincipled hunger for power, and AAP is both villain and victim in this. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.